Alright, so guys, the Fitbit still stands as one of the most relevant companies in the market of wearables. In a bid to keep its market share in this growing segment, the company unveiled a bunch of new products, the Fitbit Versa 3, Inspire 2 and Fitbit Sense. So let's talk about the Fitbit Versa 3. Of course, it's a nice smartwatch with a big focus on health tracking. I mean, putting concrete numbers to the way your body is reacting to exercise, diets, and daily activities gives you that much more ability to take control of your health. And it features a built-in speaker and microphone, so you will be able to take calls and dictate text messages directly from the watch. Also, the speaker allows you to hear playlists from Deezer, Spotify, and other music streaming services. By the way, it comes with an integrated GPS like most of the mainstream smartwatches today. With that being said, to let me know what you think about this down in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for the daily content like this. I will see you in the next ones. Peace out.